phone, he gets very agitated. He gets very angry. He has what I would call a teenage temper tantrum.
Social psychologist, NYU professor, and best-selling author Jonathan Haidt is on a mission to reach parents not only about his belief of the harmful effects of smartphones and social media, but also to help them take action now to prevent potential long-term damage in their children.
It is urgent that you restore your brain. You're still young, but if you do this until you're 25, then the damage might be permanent.
Jonathan's New York Times bestseller, The Anxious Generation, How the Great Rewiring of Childhood is Causing an Epidemic of Mental Illness, digs into the skyrocketing mental health crisis in young people.
We have to change the way we're raising kids. We have to give them back an exciting, fun childhood in the real world, not on a screen.